Hello everyone, hope you're alright. In today's video, I'm going to show you the seeds which I'm going to start in the month of April. So here basically there are two groups of seeds. One group of seeds belong to cucurbits, Cucurbitaceae family. So basically all the gourds and melons, cucumbers, watermelons, squashes, pumpkins, they come in Cucurbitaceae family, and basically these vegetables, they like warm weather. So I'm going to sow these seeds under the cover in my greenhouse, and if you wait another month like in May, you can sow them directly outside. So these seeds are preferred to be sown direct outside because they do not transplant really well. However, in my experience, I have started cucumbers indoors and transplanted them outside, so they have been fine for me. I'm also going to grow these plants under the cover in my greenhouse all summer long, because here in zone 8 UK we do not get really hot summers for these crops to perform. So basically the summer here is mild and wet, and basically these crops do not tend to perform well if sown directly outside. So I will start these seeds indoor in seed starting cells, and then I will transplant them in my raised beds which I have set up in my greenhouse, technically cold frame. It gets really hot in there during the summer, so I hope these crops will perform for me. The second group of seeds are zinnias and sunflowers, which belong to daisy family. These also like warm, sunny weather, so I will start them inside my greenhouse in seed starting trays, and then I transplant them outside. So here I have got my melon seeds which I collected from a melon bought from grocery store. I think it was honeydew melon. I'm not 100% sure because it is from last year. I did buy some seeds last year which did not germinate really well for me. So I collected my own seeds from grocery store melon. These germinated well for me, but they did not have a chance to grow because I started them outside and it was really humid and mild summer, so they could not perform. So I'm going to give them another try this year inside my greenhouse. Let's see how they do. However, the members of Cucurbitaceae family, they have separate male and female flowers, and they are open pollinators, so you never get the same plant as the parent plant if you collect your own seeds. So it is still going to be a learning experience for me. Next, I have got gourd seeds which I ordered online. There are few seeds in the package, so I will try them. Next, I have got some bitter gourd seeds which I collected from bitter gourd bought from grocery store. So this is the first time I'm growing gourds and bitter gourds. So let's see how they perform. These are zucchini seeds which I bought online, and there are quite a lot of seeds in the packet. But I will grow only few plants to start with. And then I have got cucumber seeds. I have got two varieties of cucumbers. One is Beth Alpha, which is from last year, so I forgot to bring them here, and this one is the new for this year. This is Market More. These are really long cucumbers and the vines grow really tall. So all of these gourds, melons, cucumbers and zucchini will be started in my greenhouse and will grow there all summer long. Next, I have got zinnias, which is Lilliput mix, Zinnia elegans. These produce really beautiful, showy, bright colored flowers, and I had them last year in my garden and they were really eye-catching and a beautiful display. So I'm going to grow them again this year in a container. And I have got some sunflower seeds left from last year. I collected lots of sunflower seeds myself, but I'm going to grow only a few sunflower plants this year because I have lots of other plants growing. I have already started lots of my seeds in February and March, so I will include the links in the description box for those videos where I discussed which seeds you can start in January, which seeds you can start in February, and the seeds you can start in March. These seeds are specific to my growing zone, like zone 8, and as I said, we do not get very hot summers in UK. So I prefer to start my seeds indoor in my greenhouse, and then I transplant them outside or keep them in my greenhouse depending on what sort of conditions they need. So I have already started my brassicas, tomatoes, bell peppers, aubergines, corn, sweet corn, all cold weather crops like lettuce, chard, beets, radish, carrots, peas directly in my raised bed. And I have done videos on them, so I will include the links in the description box, so please check it out. And if a seed packet says start the seed from March to May, so it means you can start the seed in March and you can also start them in April or in May. So earlier you start them, you will have a much longer season for them to grow and establish. Like on cucumber seed packet, it says you can start them from April to May, which basically means like in April you can start them indoors and in May you can start them outdoors. So it really depends on your growing zone and what the seed packet tells you. So you can follow the instructions on the back of seed packet. So these will be my seeds which I will sow in April. So hope you enjoyed watching this video and it gives you plenty of information about what seeds you can start in April. Please subscribe to my channel for more gardening videos. You can also join my channel for extra perks. Thank you very much for watching today. See you next time. Bye.